Hello, welcome to a brand new tutorial. In today's video I will show you how you can solve a problem when you can't find an app or your start menu keeps crashing on your Windows 10. So sometime what happens is that when you are using Windows 10 and you want to open a application, you search on the search bar of start menu, which is, let's say, calculator. It's working right now because I fixed it. And sometimes what happens is that it just loads and it keeps crashing, and that's what happens. And sometimes it doesn't work at all, and sometimes your whole Windows crashes as well. So the way that you can do the solution that you can do to fix this problem is that you go to start menu, and from here your most of the if you are facing problem or your start menu keeps crashing, you are not gonna find this setting by typing setting. So what you need to do, you need to click here and you need to go to the S section of the start menu and click this one, setting. So you will see this option right here, and you're gonna see your username and everything on this section. So what you need to do, from here you need to type update and you will find these options. From here you need to click check for updates. Normally when this start option keeps crashing, the reason is there is an update pending or there is a problem with the Windows update. For that reason the start menu keeps crashing. So you need to click here check for updates, and in this section you will see there is a button called check for updates, right? So you're gonna click the check for update option. It's gonna take around 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes to update your Windows 10, and once it is done it will ask you to restart, and once you restart the problem will be solved. Now from here you can search for everything and it will come here. For example, let's say if I am searching for Camtasia, if I am searching for calculator, or if I am searching for any sorts of, like, let's say I am searching for Paint. As you can see, the app I am searching for, it comes right up. So that's how you solve the start menu crashing problem in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you are facing more problem or if you want me to provide solution to any other problems that you're facing with Windows 10, comment below, and I will try my best to find the solution and make a video for you. Thank you so much. Take care. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care. With